purchased a StarknightMT Kawasaki KRX 1000 front windshield, a foldable windshield. I've always wanted a foldable windshield, and these guys, I saw their website come up, priced lower than the competition, so I know the plastic windshields hold up really well. So I saw their product and decided to pull the plug on that. 6 days later, after my purchase, it has arrived. The shipping was fast, and let's unbox. So there we are. I'm going to say that is the bottom, and then this piece. So you've got your top piece mounted to the cage, the bottom piece mounted to the cage, and then your flip-up centerpiece. So all right, unboxed and ready to go. Let's get this thing installed. So we've got our instructions. We've got the upper piece, the lower piece. We've got 4 clamps right here. 2 of these heavier clamps with the screws attached. We've got 4 of these, I'm going to say they go in here to protect your roll cage, 4 of them. We're supposed to have 6 nuts, but we've got 7, so they've given us an extra one. 6 washers, we've got 7, they've given us an extra one. And we have 4 of the short stainless screws, 2 of the longer screws. But they've also given us a spare, so we've got extra. In your toolkit, you've got the socket wrench, the 2 open-end wrenches, and the Allen key. And then the 2 cylinders, right there, number 7. And then you've got these 2 strips. I'm going to say this is like a double-sided tape or something. We haven't got to that yet. And then we got this sticker.
Massive crosswind right now, about 40 miles an hour. Hard to hang on. The windshield is holding tight. No rattles, no shakes. Looking good.